Family, what's good? It's your boy LITEBODY back again with another edition of LITEBODY Reacts. Man, it's been a minute, but I'm super glad to be back into it. We got yet another reaction video for you here on the channel, as we always do, discovering your next favorite rapper. But I figured we'd take it back to the way we started out here on the channel, and what better way than to check out what the boy himself, Mr. iLUMiNATiVE, has been up to. As you know, we've recently done an interview with our LITEBODY pod sessions, one of our first interviews that we dropped here on the channel. You should definitely check that out. I'll leave links down below to that one. We interviewed Mr. iLUMiNATiVE. Oh, a real thrilling one, a real eerie, very deep, very esoteric session we sure had last time here at the Light Hub, and I'm super keen to get into this one. This one is the finale of his Shapeshifter EP, Nature's Raw. Fifth single, fifth placement on this album of a year, this EP, this project, where iLUMiNATiVE is really tackling a lot of thought-provoking topics, really socio-politically conscious, really pushing the agenda of fighting those elites that are trying to control us and trying to take over our freedom. This one is for the sovereign boys. I ain't going to do too much talking, man. I just had to lay that foundation and the premise over there, because things got real deep, and we finna get even deep over here. Even though this is the site that keeps it light, we finna get deep with iLUMiNATiVE's fifth and final installment of the Shapeshifter EP. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Nature is so beautiful, yet so brutal and raw. Definitely can be moody, it could kill us all. When it's at war with itself for us, hell is unleashed and we must adjust. Clean ourselves up to be more pure and secure, to be in harmony with nature, instead of being in disharmony.
Your nature's raw, from the primal core, the primal raw. You're a real human beast, not shaped just from within. To be brilliant, here and now, hear the ground. Stand up for Mother Nature and make her proud. Stand down and get on the ground.
Gotta take a break there and just let that process before the drop. You know it's gonna be a real nu metal-esque drop. Hey, it's gonna be heavy, but just to dissect the lyrics, you could definitely tell he's sticking to the theme overall. Nature's raw, speaking about Mother Nature's role in our lives, Mother Nature's beauty. And as you can tell, he's in nature yet again on this video over here, and it's been a real consistent theme through all the music videos he's shot for this EP over here. And my oh my, the consistency is really commendable, because for someone to be able to just pull off 5 music videos back to back for every song of a project, that's real rare in today's day and age of consumerism, absolute just speed, and like in terms of our attention span, in how we've spoken about this a lot of times, and we kind of touched on it in our interview as well. And Mr. iLUMiNATiVE really pushes the agenda of us breaking the mold, and we got Nature's Raw. We're breaking the mold out here, talking about what we need for our soul. Talking about nature, baby. Good old heart of nature, baby.
You when all your days are gone. Become one with nature like when you were born. Oh yeah, nature's raw. Cause nature's raw. Go against nature's law. Nature's raw. It could kill us all, but it's best us all when we hear us go. In this
harmony, creating more devastation, designated by our creator, ourself. Create our own consequences in heaven and hell. It is all natural law, nature's law. Nature is in all and will always prevail. Nature never fails to remove the veils of domesticated humans.
Your nature's raw from the primal core, primal raw. You're a human beast that shared just from within. To be really it, here and now, hear the ground. Stand up for Mother Nature and make her proud. Stand down and get on the ground. Only nature can protect you when all your things.
I notice he's really at peace on this one. There was a staple tool that he used throughout this series, which he had in his videos. This included an AK-47. He had the rifle, just like really, he was toting it explicitly, like without any lacking, you know what I mean? And I feel like he's put that down for this one. He's gone back to nature. I think he's also taken off the mask. I haven't seen the shapeshifter reptilian mask, something that we've touched on in our interview as well, which you should check out by now. I'll try to pop something up over there in the top corner for those who haven't seen our discussion on the Lightbody pod. But I really am feeling that he's really taken it back. He's really going back to nature. Yes, sir. Let's keep it going, man. iLUMiNATiVE. Byron Bay's very young.
Cause nature's raw, go against nature's law. Nature's raw, they could kill us all, but it's best it's all when we hear us go. Either way, indicators for the purity in the pure land, for the true plan, to keep humans raw, to teach us all that we must respect creation above all. But we all fall, living in a veil, being what we are not always fails. Being disconnected from nature or God, focused only on money and jobs. Your nature's raw, from the primal core, primal raw. You're a human beast that shared just from within. To be really it, here and now, hear the ground. Stand up for Mother Nature and make her proud. Stand down and get on the ground. Only nature can protect you when all your things are gone.
I was capping there. I saw the mask. Yeah, he had to bring it out. I feel like it would be against his inner nature, his true inhibitions, for him to omit the shapeshifter within. Holy, I seen and I peeped it just now, so I caught myself slipping. Let's keep it going. There he is.
So stuck in the egos and arrogance, destroying ourselves, the planet and everything else. Letting everybody blames God when they don't even believe in God. God, we need help. Great reset. Maybe this is what we needed to go back. So this greater greed is a mess that needs to be cleaned from the ground up.
The great reset. Everything needs to be cleaned up. You know how nature's ebb and flow goes, and the seasons. Sometimes nature has to take care of itself and cleanse itself from all the toxicity. Cleanses itself from, you know what I mean? Hey, man. He's talking so much depth, man. A lot of these things might just be going over your heads, man. So take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and process. So, fam, let's keep it going. iLUMiNATiVE, Byron Bay's very own.
You're a human beast that shaped just from within. To be really it, here and now, hear the ground. Stand up for Mother Nature and make her proud. Stand down and get on the ground. Only nature can protect you when all your things are gone. Become one with nature like when you were born. Oh yeah, nature's raw. Cause nature's raw, go against nature's law. Nature's raw. They could kill us all, but it's best it's all when we hear us go. And just cleaning isn't enough. Humanity needs a detox from how we've been living.
Holy.
Wake up calls have been given.
Detox.
11-11. We get all guests on this earth without all of us disrespecting, disconnecting. It would be heaven on earth. So start respecting, reconnecting, preserve Earth.
Your nature's raw from the primal core, primal raw. You're a human beast that shaped just from within. To be really it, here and now, hear the ground. Stand up for Mother Nature and make her proud. Stand down and get on the ground. Only nature can protect you when all your days are gone. Become one with nature like when you were born. Oh yeah, nature's raw. Cause nature's raw, go against nature's law. Nature's raw, nature's raw. It could kill us all, but it's best us all when we hear us go.
Serve the earth, preserve it for our kids and the next generation, so they can live on a solar grid, generating free energy, give solar to their kids.
Impeccable
our
length,
grandkids,
range.
for the whole nation. Creating greater fate is our greatest creation.
How many verses are on this? God, Dizio, man. This guy's a real lyricist that doesn't run out of their pen, you know. He keeps going.
To be really here and now.
And so many seeds drop. God, Dizio.
Stand down and get on the ground. Only nature can protect you when all your days are gone. Become one with nature like when you were born. Oh yeah, nature's raw. Cause nature's raw, go against nature's law. Nature's raw, nature's raw. It could kill us all, but it's best us all when we hear it. Nature's raw. Nature's raw. Nature's raw. Yeah, nature's raw. From the primal core, a primal raw. You're a really human beast. Do you really hear? Hear it now. Hear the crowd. Stand up among the
Hear the backing vocals of it?
Stand down and get on the ground. Down the earth. Get down
Real melodic.
and serve. Only nature can protect you when all your days are gone. Become one with nature like when you were born. Oh yeah, nature's raw. Cause nature's raw, go against nature's law. Nature's raw, nature's raw. It could kill us all, but it's best us all when we just go.
iLUMiNATiVE, Shapeshifter, the EP, out now, family. Damn, it's been real great going through the series and learning about this artist and culminating all the way through to an interview session. I was so honored to get a chat to the bro and really get to pick his brain and find out where does all of this depth, where does it stem from? Where is he drawing and pulling all of this consciousness? Where is he pulling all of this drive to want to change the world and change this frequency that we're currently in, man? The vibration of this world. God damn. A real conscious, aware artist over here who has been dropping seeds and dropping bombs on us. Man, it's been a great journey and it's taken us all the way through to the finale. Family, let me know what your thoughts are. Check out the EP. Check out iLUMiNATiVE's website. I'll leave that down below. Be sure to message us and let us know what you'd like us to react to next. If you got any music that you want us to give a listen here on the channel, be sure to drop me a DM out there on IG. I'll leave links to all of that down below, including Mr. iLUMiNATiVE's work. So fam, thank you for pulling up to the site where we keep it light. You dig what I did? Peace.